example 14, we will use this source lab demo site, and we will fetch all these price, and then initially we will convert into a double because it's containing dollar, so we will remove this dollar and convert it into a double list, and then we will try to find minimum and maximum value out of these. So now let's see the practical. Again, here I have created one sample script, and in this script I am initially navigating to the browser and open this URL, and after that I am just logged in the application. And now let me find it out price for all the product. So with the help of this find elements method, I will call, I think we have class name for that. So now let me inspect this. So with the help of this class name, we can get all these price element, and I will store into a list having type is web element, and I'm storing into this list, right? So now with the help of this collection object, let me call this stream method, then I will call this map method, and with the help of this regular expression I am just fetching text of all these price element and then storing into a web list. And now I'm just storing into a list which having string type, and I will say text all price, right? And now this time in this list we have all these string value, I will say price of all product. So this time we have to remove the dollar because every price containing dollar as well. So with the help of this map method, again we will iterate, and here I will say the current element dot replace this dollar value into blank, and after that I will convert this string value into float so that we can calculate the minimum and maximum value. And this is map, so that we have to return something, so I'm returning this value, and then finally I'm saying collect dot as a to list, right? And this will again return list of float, all float price I'm storing into this list, right? So again I'm repeating, in this list we are having all the web element related to price, and in this list we have text of all the price including dollar as well. And now in this list we have only floating part, I will say float value. We are just removing this dollar symbol. So now with the help of this list we can easily find out the minimum and maximum. So now let's see the minimum first, and this is again part of collection. I can call this stream method, and then we will call this minimum method, and this minimum method will accept comparator because minimum or maximum value we can calculate only if we have two comparison, like two value to compare with each other. So here I have to provide v1 stands for value 1 and v2 for value 2, and then like v1 dot compare to v2, it will return. So we have to write here returns keyword as well, and now we can finally close this coding part here, and then it will return like optional and part is float, and this is the minimum value. now let me print it out. Yeah, and similarly for maximum also we have to call this stream method with the help of this collection object, all floating float price, and then I will call stream. Then again we have to call max, and this max is also expected one comparator. For that I need to provide v1 and v2. Let me include in bracket, and now with the help of this lambda expression, again I will say v1 dot compare to v2, and then it will return, and return type is optional, having type is float, and now I'm storing into variable as max, and for our reference I'm just printing this max value. So now in this way we can find out minimum and maximum from this float list. So now let me execute this one. Yeah, hopefully this will work. And again we are launching the Firefox, and it's now navigate to this source lab demo, and now it will log in, and here it will fetch all these price and then perform all required operation. Yeah, it's successfully done. Now let me confirm. So here you can see the minimum value is 7.99 and maximum is 49.99. So let me confirm this. So this is not the minimum as per our output. Yeah, you can see the minimum value is 7.99 and the maximum is 49. Let me confirm. Yeah, till now 49. Yeah, 49 is the maximum value. And here one mistake we did. So rather than directly printing this minimum variable which having optional type, so we have to call this get method, then it will print only this much of part. So right now you can see optional, and in the bracket you can see the minimum value. Similarly optional, in the bracket you can see the maximum value. So just try to print only the value. We have to call this get method, and now let me re-execute. It will take hardly 30 seconds, then we'll confirm again. So now you will see only the numbers, right? So that's all about this video, and in this video mainly we covered minimum and maximum method of the stream feature. Thank you.